Aloha kako. This just in top local stories on HawaiiNewsNow.com by HNN staff, November 8th, 2019 at 4:04 p.m. HST, updated November 8th at 5:11 p.m. Pro-Mauna Kea and Kanaka Maoli activists, anti-TMT activists are planning another rolling convoy on Oahu this weekend. Unlike the previous demonstration, the city has not granted the convoy, I can't even say it, the convoy a permit. Organizers say it will start at Kapolei around 8 a.m. Sunday and finish at Kualoa Beach Park around noon. At Kualoa Beach Park, some 700 people are expected to attend a rally, which is permitted, protesting the construction of the 30-meter telescope atop Mauna Kea. This story will be updated. Copyright 2019, Hawaii News Now. All rights reserved. I hope this reporter isn't trespassing in some way in relaying their news. My name is Millicent Cummings from Millicent Cummings News. Brought to you by Millicent Cummings. All human rights reserved. Kukiai Mauna. Ew. See you tomorrow, man, if I was on Oahu. But I'm here on Moku Okeavi sending big aloha to you guys. Convoy it up. All right.